What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if voicemail is not working in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the phone app, then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of the app. So to clear it, tap on clear data and select clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the voicemail will start working properly. But after this, if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now here scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option, and then tap on reset settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. So after entering the correct pin, password or pattern, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And resetting the network settings will fix the voicemail issue. So that's how you can fix if voicemail is not working in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.